Alam niyo naman na nandito ako sa colorful. Tignan mo, papasok din tayo dyan. Pabilisan ng pabilisan. Kaso nga hindi na pumasok. Saka parang so guys, as kita nyo naman na may red dyan. Saka pwede naman tayo magsahan dito. Hindi naman na tumihirap naman yun. Ayan mo. Ito. Magpeso na dito. So guys, yung gagawin tayo dito. Ay, wala.
Haha.
Dito na tayo. Kaya dito naman yun. Ito ay ito. Dali-dali lang nito eh. Dali-dali lang nito eh. Ulis ka doon. Paharang-harang. Parang-harang. Ulis nito. Paharang-harang ka ba? Masasama ko guys. Mga kapatid, karena big seven, whoever messages, those friends, mga kapatid. You are S, U-B, W-S, Y-N-E. Now I know my ABC. Next time, no, sing with me. Dali-dali lang yun. Bumalik na naman tayo sa pila. Dito eh. Show nyo ba guys? Kaya mag-subscribe na kayo.
What the?
Kasi titignan natin mamaya yung video. Papanoodin natin.
What the flip?
Dito. Pupunta din tayo kay Jessica White. Kasi Roblox character din siya, diba? Bali, Roblox character din. Favorite ko ng Roblox character. Hindi lang kayo. So guys, madali-dali lang naman yung isang parkour. Daya is...
Sorry mo, di ko magagamit yung dyan nakalilang ka.
Babalik na ano to? Oh, thank you. Mabilisan na tumakbo ang ate. Yes, sir. Yes. Bilis ko tumakbo.
Ito na siyang mo. Daw po na kapupunta dyan.
Sporty.
May ganito na ako. Wow. Wala na ganito eh. Wala na ganito eh. What are you doing, Ellie? Bakit ka tumatalon ng patalon? Bakit ganito ka, Ellie? Dapat ganito na, way. Saan ba talaga pupunta, way? Bawat ka dito. Di naman dito. Parang ayun pa din yun naman na. Ano ba talaga tayo dadaan? Ito ulit yun. Saan dyan?
So instead of guarding them endlessly, the Foundation makes a final choice. They remove the anomaly on purpose. One such case was SCP-547-B. The human was dangerous.
Dali-dali lang na ulit.
Became uncontrollable to stop further damage.
Uy, gagi. Gaya mo ay gagi.
One pa nga lang play malaki. Malaki na.
Don't mix it.
No, bigger. Bigger than this. Bigger than these two. Don't make fun of your sister. One. No, ulit.
Daya. Ate, Kuya Dila, madaya ba ako?
Oo.
Okay lang. ABCD naman na to eh.
23 pero thousand
Uy, yung lakas nito ah.
To take a hose and send that bitch to civil rights. He awakened his mark because he's
Ayun lang.
no, nigga. Why the fuck? See his team is here, Mark.
Ano ko nalakas.
Somebody got him shaking hot blood off on his too. It's a nightmare. It's like a slot. They call him the Alright shit. We call him Mr. Forgot. But he don't deserve to be arrested. Sit your ass down.
Oy! Hindi ko kakape, baby ka. Oh!
Kaya tayo nilalayasan yan eh.
Ano ba yan? Paulit-ulit na naman dito. Ito. Uy. Ito.
Guys.
Ano ulit to?
Siya yung nakataas yung ulo ng ano.
Gusto mo cheeseburger?
Pagkasama ka.
Gumagalaw. Pin!
Dito.
Here's proof that we are getting older. Remember this, family? You don't?
Ano ba yan?
I got it off Google. Here's proof
Uy, yan. Yan ang gusto ko.
that we are getting older.
Ito ang gusto ko. Yan. Yung nakikinig sa akin. Saan na yun? Saan na?
At bakit walang repost?
Ito ang gusto ko.
Oo, bawal na bawal yan. Pag kamay-kamay lang yan, hindi ko na yung problema. It's better to use facial tissue.
Eh, Juda, kapag hindi ako pumapasok, pakamapin niyo ako. Ngayon, papasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako.
Sapat na wala ng anak, mas hindi na niya. Mga ako kasi,
This is why I got jumped by 50 guys. And still won. I'm here. I'm back. Where you guys at? Hello? Stop, fuck. Where you guys at? This is why I got jumped by 50 guys. My bro was 61 years
listen, bro, I wasn't gonna go today, but I am really missing when Trump, Obama, and Biden used to play one. That was so cute. That was a friendship that nothing could break. I don't know what happened to them, but they need to hop back on track and start making videos. Okay, because it sounds like he's working, so maybe he needs that. You know, he's that new.
We have ordered say Coca-Cola without your lips touching. Coca-Cola. What? Now say Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Your lips never touch.
Ano ba yan? Kuya Dylan. Yung parker ko.
Ano ba, Nelly?
Ito sayang gusto mo.
Series-wide Trevor experiences in the Point Break. Today's Trevor experience is submitted by viewer Samuel 05785. Thank you so much for submitting. in a story, and here's hoping that next Christmas is in white is terrible. Anyway, without further ado, today's story takes place not too far from me, in Europe. This happened fairly recently. I lived with my kid a few days before Christmas. When it ticked over to December time and the festive period truly begun, every year without fail, my parents would go to Christmas parties. And since the attendance of these parties were way older than me, I oversee all kids too. We lived in a peaceful enough area where honestly nothing ever happened. So when my parents went to attend these parties, they felt safe enough leaving me and my siblings at home. But the house...
After Jeff the fucking mansion gets ready to go out, this nigga decides to put that shit on and pulls up wearing a duck costume with a tie. But Kid tells him to hurry up and go change before they leave town. So Jeff heads to his closet to find the fit. While he's changing, Jeff tries on the look for the John's Tom and Kate. He's clear to see all the trying to do. Jeff tries to steam off, but it's working, so he decides to pull out the box to get back. He's up inside the basement and the symbiotes are fighting. A bunch of symbiotes start attacking civilians, so the fucking goat starts hacking them up. That's when Kate Bishop, Gwen Fools, and Hugo Chavez finally show up. The group comes up with a plan. The second the music starts, symbiotes begin falling off people everywhere. But then, Kate notices something. Jeff's symbiote isn't leaving. This nigga is actually vibing. After the fight ends, Jeff and the symbiote just chill by the water together until it finally decides to separate on its own. The goat then spends the rest of the day eating churros and watching the sunset. After Jeff
We were in the Amazon rainforest.
Scientists discovered that pure blood can heal wounds in 24 hours. 24 hours. When you fall through your knee, wounds bleed, it scabs over, and eventually heals. But you may have noticed that when the skin cells regenerate, it's never perfect. Most of the time, 100% of the check. But there is one part of the body that perfectly and wonderfully rejects itself. Usually, every single part I have now the energy for the life of roots. Every part that energy goes through, it returns to the head, it returns to the the normal edges of the life, chest, and
Ready lang, ready lang. Ready lang, paano ko ito magaganto?
All of this brings up a bigger question. What is it about menstrual fluid that gives it this extraordinary healing power? And what could this mean for medicine? So there is one study that explored exactly this. After several repeat experiments, it became clear that there was something within menstrual fluid.
Bakit bawal? Pwede lang eh. Baka ganito.
Changes her clothes and hairstyle, anyone can see through this. Her disguise is really clumsy. What's more, the two never show up at the same time. Toyama always teases him about Yamada, yet Sasaki has never met Toyama at work. Most people would wonder where she works in this case, but Sasaki never asks about it. Deep down, he already knows they are the same person. Besides, Yamada has slipped up many times in front of him. She usually covers her ear piercings with band-aids, but during a chance encounter on her day off, she forgot to take off her earrings. This became the key clue for Sasaki to see the truth further. Sasaki is an experienced officer. He is far more slow-witted as he looks. In fact, he is extremely observant and thoughtful. For instance, Toyama once got a complaint from a customer about smoking cigarette smoke. Sasaki is a regular who visits G2 to see Yamada. Every single day, he pays close attention to Yamada. If ordinary customers can smell the smoke, there is no way the sharp Sasaki misses it in the manga. He even noticed her injured right hand just because she always paid with her left hand. This fully proves how careful Sasaki is. He would never overlook obvious details like earrings. So why does Sasaki keep pretending even after finding out everything is actually his unique tenderness? They grew closer after smoking together. He understands. Yamada does not mean to lie on purpose as an adult. If he exposes the truth, the peaceful balance between them will be ruined. He chooses to wait for Yamada to tell him voluntarily. Sasaki leaves the choice entirely to Yamada. He respects everything about her in his own gentle way. Has no one noticed this? While everyone's still arguing over whether Bonnie's blue or purple. Despite him already being done, I thought I'd get started on the next member of the animatronic.
Eh, di Obi,
This
pinag-mimix
one
yung
shouldn't be
play mo.
Ay! Even if they're off, it's yellow. I'm sorry. I don't care if there's an obscure.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Baby pa naman yan eh.
Wow!
You know?
Hey, buddy! If you want to get a kid excited about reading, then I have just the book for you. It's called...
Hello.
Sorry about that. It's called... Oh, right, so funny. Oh, it's my book. Even a perfect dinosaur forever. It's on everything. Springfield, dinosaurs, my little baby.
Okay, my best
Here we are, buddy.
Off the balloon, when you hear a movie that's better, Zack Snyder's Watch. Okay? Zack Snyder's Justice League. Yeah, that's not Attack of the Clones. You gotta have more than 20 minutes. The Batman. You gotta have more than a half hour. Spider-Man 3. No! Iron Man 3. Overrated. Batman 89. If not a fan of shooting big times, don't love that movie. Ant-Man. Not for me. Shang-Chi. The Watchmen is fantastic. It's one of Zack Snyder's best. It's not Shang-Chi. X-Men: The Last Stand. I am firmly standing on the Watchmen is better than X-Men: The Last Stand. A great effort. Bravo. It has none of the panache and the nuance of Watchmen. Blade Trinity. Worth watching. Not watching. Mandalorian and Grogu. I don't know.
Pakito, bawang. Dali-dali lang yun. Kita nga yung taas eh.
Man of Steel. Schneider! Can't beat Schneider! Man of Steel. Off the balloon when you get...
That's when you tell the shit.
Naman surrounding. Surrounding the learning. Where's the surrounding? Lagi yung dumating.
Imagine your son goes to the corner store to buy some water. He
Nakakalagay na
walks in
kayo
and places his bag right down and goes to the fridge. But when he opens
pwede
the
mo
fridge and takes out the
messenger?
water, he sees the expensive ass gas station prices and puts the waters right back. Then he decides to just leave the store since he's not going to be buying anything from there. But on his way out, the store owner's wife starts saying something to him in a whole nother language. And everything just seems calm and chill inside the store. So he decides, let me just leave and go to this next store. As he walks out the building, that's when these two Asian guys get to jumping up and start chasing his ass right out the store. And these two guys are the store owner and the store owner's son. And by the way these two men are chasing him, you would have thought he just robbed the store and slapped the store owner's wife. So that's when your son gets to sprinting 120 yards away from these two Asian guys, because what else would you do when there's two Asian guys chasing you for no reason? And your son does have a strap on him, but not once did he pull it out, and he's actively running away from these two Imagine your son goes to the corner store to buy some water. He walks in and places his bag right down and goes to the fridge. But when he...
Pelicans! Which is why they're also called pelican spiders. But they're mostly known as assassin spiders because they assassinate other spiders. They can trap down spiders by their webs, carefully tiptoeing over any trigger lines to avoid alerting them, allowing them to get within striking range. Then, using their long curved jaws and their extended neck, they attack from a distance. This range makes them very difficult to counter. Once they skew at you, they hoist you into the air, inject venom, and eat you.
Craziest movie records. Longest production time for an animated movie is The Thief in the Coward. Took nearly 29
years to complete from 1968 to 1993. The longest gap between first film and sequels, Bambi, the first movie releasing in 1942, and the sequel coming out in 2006. The longest single-shot, one-take film is known as Russian Ark. It came out in 2002. This is a
Tingin mo. Wow.
Bawal makita ng bata. Gagi. Nangyari. Gagi si Papa Jesus. Bawal nga makita ng baby pa.
craziest movie records. The longest production time for an animated movie is The Thief and the Cobbler. It took nearly 29 years to complete.
I have never vaped in my life, I swear. No. May Zeus himself strike me.
Well, except that my wife's toxic trait that she wants to stay home, but she also wants to work.
Ano, pahingi ako ng water tsaka ng medicine galing ko.
Ha?
Yung vitamins dun, tsaka water sa tumbler.
What vitamins?
The green one, the Gaviscon. Uy, talaga kayo, 10, mag-11 na.
At asa na nga pala yung book 3 ko?
Baka nandito ang cute ni Pen.
Hindi shoutout kay Pinpin.
Hala, shoutout kay Pinpin.
Hindi yan mag-shoutout kay Pinpin.
Shut up kay Pinpin.
Shut up kay Pinpin, hindi shout out. Shut up!
Yan, shut up kay Pinpin.
Shut up Pinpin, hindi shout out.
Hindi shout out yan. Diba? Pin tayo. Okay.
Team talaga kayo.
Addison ha?
Team talaga kayo kasi nga ano kayo.
Ayun pa na lang
Dilan.
sa iba mo.
Siyempre, si Wiwan Dilan yan.
Tapos na ano ba?
Wiwan Dilan!
Shut up ka, hindi shout out. Shut up Pinpin, hindi shout
Yan,
out.
shut up.
Shout out kay Pinpin. Shout out kay Ate Chuchay.
Shut up kay Pinpin.
Shout up kay Kuya Wiwan. Shout up kay Kuya Dilan. Yung ang bagay sa
Shut up kay
inyo.
Pinpin, hindi shout out. Ha!
Kung ano-ano na lang kinukuha niya tumbler.
Shut up kay Pinpin.
Batman ka ba, te?
Mas nakakatuwa yung tumbler natin. Matagal yung buhay. Kinakain ko yan.
The judge.
yung buhay.
Shut up kay Pinpin.
Guys, so guys, sa taas. Ang hirap mag-itin yung pagtangalan.
O, tara na, high five na tayo. O, high five. Shout out sa'yo, Pinpin.
Huwag mo sa
O,
sink,
tara,
Ellie.
high five tayo ilagay.
Ano kinain nito, Chay? Ni Ellie? Wala daw itlog din.
O,
Dugo ako eh.
Ilan?
tulog na ako eh.
Pag di nyo kinain ng somay, itabi nyo na. Kung hindi nyo bukas. Ha? Ang dami mo. Ano na lang? Tirahan niyo si nanay. Tirahan si nanay mo.
Makita ribs ko ba?
Yun lang pinundet. Si ate ang nagpapakita na rin.
Kaya
Pakita mo.
patingin natin.
Ay, hindi din. Si Pinpin. Si Pin.
Si Pinky, tayo ribs yan.
Ay, alam si Eddie. Si Wiwan kita yung mga worms.
Kita yung mga?
Wala ka ribs.
Worms.
Saan yung mga worms?
Ay, si Bunig daw. Si Bunig. Tulbahay na hanap yung nilagay dyan sa shake na sa hinahanap niya. Hindi niya ako pinapansin, hinahanap niya yung shake.
Titignan mo ang cute yun. Te, bilis titignan mo ang cute. Sana, kanina kasi din ako ganda siya siya.
Kuya, wala ko doon. Paano yung ribs?
Titignan mo tayo. Dito. Hindi na shout out. Shut up.
Shut up. Shut up kay Kuya Dylan. Shout out kay Pinpin. Shout up kay Kuya Wiwan.
Kay Ellie, shout out kay Pinpin, shout out kay Kuya Dylan, shout out kay
Manood ka, rainbow to. Magaling ako.
Shout out kay Pinpin. Shout out kay Kuya Dylan. Shout out kay Kuya Wiwan. Shout out kay Ate Susan. Shout out kay Mama.
Shut up kay Ellie.
Shout out
Shout
kay
out
Kuya
kay Kuya
Dylan.
Dylan, di ba? Shout out kay Kuya Dylan, shout out kay Ellie, shout out kay Pinpin, shout out kay Ate Chuchin, shout out
Ay,
kay
shut up eh!
No.
Nasaan ako yun? Zombie. Mukha na.
Ito din, ito.
Ano ba yan? Nangimatay si Ellie? Shout up kay Didan. Shout up kay Wiwan. Shout up kayo. Shout up kayo.
Shut up, sir. Sino? Shut up sa'yo.
Pwede shout up sa'yo.
May. Sino? Akin.
Rata click na.
Titignan mo yung naglalaro yun.
Baby yan eh, nakantok na kasi yan, hindi lang ko di mo na yung palatag.
Haha, shut up sa'yo.
Ano sinakot ko?
Shut up sa'yo.
Shout out sa'yo. Hindi niya na siya shout out sa YouTube. Hindi lang ko na nito na. Sad mo naman siya.
Kayo kasi. Panay, ano kayo? Panay loko. Panay loko kayo kasi. Ate, di ba panay loko, panay loko, panay loko, eh.
Pagkawan kita kung saan kumain.
Wow.
Ano yan?
Wow. Wow.
Pinot out ka? Shout out mo
Sinat up kita, hindi shout out.
Ilan ko rin mo na yung...
Ate, sige na, hindi naman tayo naglalaro ng Roblox kahit kailan.
Hanapin mo muna dyan yung A.
Shut up kay Pinky.
Ay.
Winner ako i-clay make. Winner ako i-make ng clay.
Nasaan yung A?
Hanapin mo yung A.
Uy, hala, nahulog. Hala, nahulog.
Uli, kasi yun.
Bad boy.
Eh, ikaw yung bad boy. Sinat up mo si Tintin, sinat up. Ate, ikaw muna gawa ng bahay ni Jenny Kawaii. May swimming pool.
Just recommend head and shoulders. I'm choosing this to please my son, Dad.
Bakit napapasarap pag mang-inasal chicken inasal? Subway! Ang sarap! Yung timpla.
Makuha ko ng satin, very good ako.
Ate, gawin mo kasi yung house ni Jessica Whitey, yung may swimming pool. Mayaman siya.
Jessica Whitey.
Hindi yung maganda.
Maganda yung latag nung isang araw. Hindi giba-giba.
Connected ako.
So, sino
Ate!
yung katabi ni Papa?
Ate, ito yung tignan mo to. Pag gumanto ka, tignan mo.
Hindi kayo kasya eh.
Si Wiwan.
Oo, si Iwan na.
Wiwan, tabi ka sa papa mo.
Yes.
Boy.
Ate, dito tayo, oh. Ate, dito. So, yun, Teo. Papahanap ko sa'yo. Ate, ganito kasi yung house. Ate, may swimming pool.
Shut up.
Ate, ganito, oh. Ate. Ate.
Shut up yan. Si Chuchay, ha? Si Chuchay, ha? Ha? Ate Chuchay!
Ate, ganito yun, oh. Ate, ganito yun yung house niya.
Unan, palata. Ninaway ko ni Dion.
Sige pala.
Nandito na.
Dilo ko ito. Diba, Chuchay, dilo ko to? Si Chuchay. Diba, dilo ko to?
Ate, gawin na natin yung bahay niya. Ate, sino ba naglaro dito? Sino?
Ganda talaga ng dilo ko. Wow, kulay blue.
Ate, sige na.
Mamaya di. Bukas.
Pilo ko. Ay, sira ko tong pilo na to.
Sige,
Sira ko tong
sirahan
pilo.
mo.
Wow, sira ko tong pilo
Ako na magsira, okay? Pwede.
Wiwan, tignan mo, sira ko pilo na to. Wiwan.
At sira ko Pillow Ellie. Gusto ko sira Pillow Ellie. Gusto ko sira ay Pillow ay Ellie. Ate. Hindi ko na nga ito makuha, ah.
Wala ka na kasi robak na mahal niya.
Sabihin na.
Tutob ko na nga.
Ate, sabihin na, please.
Grabe ka, Dylan.
When my eyeglasses, one.
Chair. Yan, chair. Chuchay, ha?
What is the container called? Junk box. Junk box. All our stuff. Hindi ka lang ba? And my stuff ka lang ba? My skeleton. Okay.
Yun na pala, Dylan.
Didan.
Pwede yan.
Grabe.
What's the reason why I like skeletons? A. Because I like skeleton shenanigans. 2.
Malaking face niya.
Nag-ano siya, pout.
Patingin nga, patingin yung sinautas ni Dylan. Patingin.
Eh, very good ako, ma.
Patingin.
Very good ako.
Out ni Dylan. Grabe
Shut
ka,
up,
Dylan.
si Pinpin. Tablet ko to. Spider ng tablet.
May kasalaton.
Ang ganda.
May
Ito mo.
ka-skeleton.
Spider-Man.
Easy ako talaga.
Salaton.
Ano sila doon?
Ganda. Ayan. Yes.
Mamay mo mo, Spider-Man.
Sino to, Dylan?
Neg-neg.
Mali.
Sunny.
Mamay mo mo,
Neg-neg.
Spider-Man.
Neg-neg na Sunny.
Pin. Mo mo, Spider-Man. Ako gawa ito. Pin.
Hindi kayo masaya.
Gusto ko na kasi yung house mo. Gusto ko kasi yung house mo yun.
Mahal yun. Alam mo kung magkano yun? 1,000.
Ikaw,
Mahal yun.
ilan yung Robux mo?
Oh my God! It's the biggest rat in the world! And the deadliest rat in the world!
Kadiri ka?
Yung! Yummy, Daisy! Yummy!
Ew!
Hindi kaya pala may laway.
Neg-neg.
Gaganyan yun.
Kadiri ka.
Dylan! Shout out mo. Yun ang nagsagot ka. Ay, kaya tignan mo! Uutot na ako! 3, 2, 1! Ay, not proud.
Mamay mo mo, Spider-Man drawing ko. Mamay mo mo, Spider-Man.
Oo, ma.
Bakit kulang? Oo, Dylan, di ba sabi ko? Super busy ako.
Hey, you.
Yararama, papa, papa,
Sabi mo mo, One month ka dyan. One month ka dyan.
Shout out mo na nga si
Shut up kay Pinpin.
Grabe.
I love the AI girl died because of the CEO husband.
Nabay mo yan?
Ang ganda ng pilong na to. Di ba ate?
Kumain ng tayo.
Pipili ka na.
At kita.
Tumatawa sila Ate Chuchay.
Akin na yan, drawing ko yan.
Toby, drawing niya talaga yan.
Hindi, ako ng drawing mo.
Hindi. Di ba ikaw ay drawing yan? Oh.
Drawing na lang ako ng Spider-Man sa cellphone. Saan ba cellphone?
Okay, tita. Make ka Spider-Man.
Hindi! Shut up kay Pinpin.
Hindi ka ay
Wow, Spider-Man.
Ate, dito tayo. Yes.
Wow, drawing ko to.
Pangit niyan. Pangit. Di ba pangit yun?
Ate George, drawing ko Spider-Man.
Ano rin ikaw? Ano rin
Ay, sa akin.
Panet, small yan, ito eh. Spider-Man mo.
Mama, sa akin. Tignan mo yung sa kanya.
Ano, tingnan mo.
Meron na po blue, meron na po.
I-fake Spider-Man pin, akin real.
Hindi talaga yan real. Pangit yan.
Tingnan mo.
Make ako Spider-Man. Okay. Ang namin edida na cookies yellow ton. Ang namin
Drawing ako
edida.
madami Spider-Man. Wow, ang dami Spider-Man drawing ko.
Pangit
At
pa.
yung sa'yo, ang ganda ng drawing ko. Dami
Spider-Man. Spider-Man here. Spider-Man.
Hindi, panic yan.
Spider-Man here.
Panic yan. Hindi, mahulog to. Mahulog yan.
Masisira yan. Bawal yan, bawal yan.
Sabi ma, hindi.
Prank natin si Pin. Pwede yan, i-prank natin si Pin. Bakit?
Ay, kawawa naman yun. May luha na, oh. Pin, 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 pin. Pin, pin.
Umutot siya. Umutot.
Wow, Spider-Man drawing ko.
Mami,
Lapina.
ang ganda. Ano na? Gawa natin ay Spider-Man.
Madami Spider-Man.
Wala itong sa'yo to.
Umutot si Ellie.
Pin, pin, Spider-Man drawing ko lang, oh. Akin maganda.
Nasaan na ba yung kulangot ko? At ito pala.
Pin, pin, hindi magaling. Si Ellie mukhang kulangot.
Welcome to my
Maganda sing ako. Hindi kaya bumusan.
Piling gawa tayo Spider-Man.
Aboy, help,
Ang pangit niyan, di ba? Di ba?
Pin, dito ka na, Pin.
Chuchi, magaling sing ako. Aboy, help, why?
Ilaw, anak pa, make sure yun. Ano nang ako yun?
Kukuha ko chibiya sa mida.
You're not talking.
Ayan na yun.
Pin, halika na dito, Ellie.
Yan. Huwag natin pansinin yung pangit na yan. Up, up, up! Dito kami nakaupo.
Uupuan ko pa. Uupuan ko yung Ang ingay mo, wala. Mamay, labita.
Ellie, dito ka na din. Kayo, otot na ako sa inyo. 3, 2, 1.
Hindi mo ba yun?
Alis!
Laping na. Dito na. Halika na dito kay Abby. Ellie, dito ka din. Isa ka pa.
Yan. Ganyan tayo. Saan ka? Saan ka?
Adel.
Dito ka din, ate.
Inali ka na. Hindi ko na. Inaway ko ni dito. Pwede mo na yung tablet. Dito ka na. Dito ka na. Naamoy mo yung brightness na. Pwede yung tablet.
Ate, grabe naman yung ginawa niya sa bahay ko. Yan, wala na. Salbahe. Kawawa naman si Kino.
Yung sales update mo mga karaan, hindi mo nilagay ng mga traffic stores ng 40. Ha? Annoying! Bakit yung... Meron! May converted ang mga ano ko, ang mga traffic stores. Kaya pwede magtatakot ka. Yung traffic stores ko ay hindi yung first one. Ako na, meron, may 40, diba? Sa buyer ang 60, tapos 40 ang traffic store.